In this video, you will learn about contour detection. Contours can be explained simply as a curve joining all the continuous points along the boundary having some color or intensity. The contours are a useful tool for shape analysis and object detection and recognition. On the left hand side, you can see our original image, and on the right hand side, you will see how we have detected contours in our image. Now let's go to the Jupyter notebook and see in code how it works. Let's import CV2, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Now I'm going to read one image and save in a variable image. I will call CV2 from this imread. Inside this image names, and it is contour.jpg, and then I will do plt.imshow image, and here in the output you can see that this is our image and this is in BGR format. We are going to convert it into RGB format. So I'll make one variable image, the same one. Then I will call cv2.cvt color, and inside this I will pass our image, and then cv2 dot color underscore bgr to rgb, and then plt dot imshow of image. And here you can see that this is our original image here. Now for contour detection, we are going to convert this image into grayscale. Let's convert it. I'll make one new variable, gray, and then I will call cv2 dot cvt color. Then I will pass our image, and then cv2 dot color underscore RGB to gray. And now let us print our image, plt.imshow gray, and then I can pass one parameter here. So you will see that this is not in gray. I will pass one parameter cmap, and this is going to be gray. And now here in the output you can see that we got our image in gray color. Now we will create a binary threshold image. So I'll make two variables. First is going to be dash and second is going to be binary, and then I will call here cv2 dot threshold, and then I will pass our gray image, and then it is going to be 225, 255, and then cv2 dot threshold underscore binary underscore inverse. We will choose, or we will select this one, and it says invalid syntax. I have to write this underscore here, not dash. Now let's print our image. I will write here plt.imshow, then binary, cmap or color map is going to be gray, and here in the output you can see that we have converted it into a binary form. That is, we have two colors only, black and white here. Now we will find the contours from the threshold image. So this is the threshold image that we have converted, and we have converted into form of binary where we will have only two colors, black and white, and that is why we have passed here threshold binary inverse. And for contour detection you always need to convert your image like this. And now let's find the contours here. I'll make two variable, contours, and then hierarchy and then I will call cv2 dot find contours. This last one I will select, and then I will pass our binary image variable. Then cv2 dot, I will select here retr underscore tree, and then cv2 dot chain approx simple, and then let us execute our code. Now if I print here contours, so these are the contours that we have, and now we need to draw these contours on this image here. So I will make one variable image is equal to cv2 dot draw contours, and then I will pass our image and then contours, and then we have this -1, and then we will pass our color channels. So this is going to be 0, 255, 0, that means RGB, and this we have to give here 2. And now let's show the image with contours. I will write here plt.imshow of image, and here in the output you can see that we have drawn contours in our image. This is how you can draw contours. First you need to convert your image into grayscale, then second you have to convert that image into binary format where you will have only two colors, black and white, and after that you have to find contours, and you will use this function find contours here, and you will use these methods from OpenCV retr tree and this chain approx simple to find contours, and then finally you have to draw contours on your image and you will get the output. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.